Okay, there's our camping spot right there. And we have a picnic table and a fire ring. And this is our road. And right in front of our rig is hard packed surface.
Yep.
And then it turns to gravel. And the bugs are really bad here.
Since we left Valdez and got up on the mountain there where we stopped, they've been kind of bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These nets really work well.
Yeah, so
You can see good and everything.
In Chittenden, the bugs were out there pretty
Yeah,
good too. But
they
the wind
were.
was blowing them off of you, but they were still there.
All right. This is the name of the campground within the national park. They have garbage, yay, bear boxes, of course, and apparently they have them in several places in here. They've got a storyboard right there and a pit toilet, nice gravel in here. And yesterday when we came through, there were a lot of people in here. It's a loop, so don't go that way, go that way. Yeah, this is the layout of this free campground.
There's no water here, no potable water. You gotta bring your own with you.
And no dump station.
No dump station, no.
No.
They've got one up front when we came
Oh,
in.
yes, when we
think
came down the road, yes. Warning, bears frequent the area. Oh, they do have recycle. It's aluminum right there. No plastic. Let me see. There you go. The old pit toilet.
Yeah.
Filmed it for Kim. Here's all the animal footprints that you will see within the national park. Amphitheater that way. There's nobody here. Everybody left today. Some guys, when we were here yesterday, were pulling their raft up from down there. More fireweed right there. Y'all know they make soap and jellies and a lip balm, all kinds of stuff. Road coming in here is fantastic. This is better than the road out there coming into the park.
Yeah, this is really nice. This is a nice free park that the Forest Service has. They should have more of them.
They should, yeah.
Why not?
I'm going to tell you, these nets work really well. I'm happy. This is definitely wilderness out here, y'all. No ATVs. So there's a trail right there. We're about to get to the first campsite. There's another pit toilet. No ATVs. They have to keep telling people that. Oh, heck, that is thunder. Y'all look at the friendliest critters in the park. Oh, yeah. Sure. And here's the flowers. Lots of flowers. And there's the fireweed. I've taken plenty of photos with the fireweed. Number one is across from the pit toilet.
When we started to do this, when there was enough room, it had that high ridge right there. It's not quite level.
Yep, picnic table and a fire pit that's been made. This is campsite number 2. It's missing its post. And this is number 3. That's an eagle. These right here, these first 3, they're pretty long. Somebody must have had to leave. They left the chair there. That's courtesy, y'all. Don't move the chair. They're coming back. Nice sight. 5 miles an hour. Site number 5. Yeah, well, you could get a rig and a tent in that one. But it's not level in the back there. This is number 7.
Yeah, the way it dips off.
It is very clean. Very clean. I wonder if they're calling this a double site, number 8. Maybe. 2 picnic tables. Yeah, you could put multiples on that one.
Out here, who's gonna?
Exactly. Ooh, it's getting closer. Yeah. Couple more sites and that's it. Miss Childers got to find out. Squirrel. You don't know? Oh.
Wellhead or something. Wellhead.
telling you, that fireweed, it's really pretty, isn't it? It just pops. Now, this is a nice site. This is number 9.
So we'll start to take.
Yeah.
Plenty big enough.
Plenty.
Laid out perfect.
Yep. This is a nice site.
Yep.
My favorite.
Yep, number 9.
Well, my favorite is where we're at right now because we have a view. And this would be the last site right here, number 10. And it's short. There you go, number 10. It's laid out perfectly and it's free.
And there's plenty of room between the campsites.
Oh, for sure.
This is what you like to see. This is 5-star all the way.
Yeah. But all the long sites were taken when we came in yesterday.
Yeah.
But I'm surprised nobody was in the site that we have up there. Okay. Well, that's it for this campground. This is the view from our back window. I really, really like it. All you can hear is the bugs a-buzzing and the eagles a-chirping. We do have a few mountains around. There's mountains there. You see the bugs flying in front of us. We're gonna take a ride.
Yep.
And we're on the north
I would say the northeast side.
of the park.
Yeah.
And the elevation is higher up here.
3060.
3,060
Yep.
feet in elevation. It's warm. We turn the AC on
It says it's 72 here.
in the truck.
We're gonna take a little ride down the road.
All right, here we go. These people have a plane, so I don't know if they have their own private plane.
This is a wilderness lodge.
Oh. Okay, Wilderness Lodge.
There's nobody here. Don't look to be. There may be people here. I mean, I don't know.
But it does kind of look like it's empty. We don't see any vehicles. Oh, there's one.
Maybe some people here. Oh, over there by the house. That's their house probably.
Mm-hmm. Wow, this part of the road is pretty good.
Yep.
I'm impressed. But it does turn bad again.
Well, this isn't bad. This looks like level gravel, but then you don't know till you get over the rise.
Exactly.
You just don't know.
That's
You
it.
have to drive it to find it.
Just like boondocking. You gotta drive it to find it. You think we should cross this creek? Mr. Childers seems to think he can with four-wheel drive.
I don't need 4-wheel drive to cross this. If I get stuck, you can get out and push.
Right. Well, we made it.
The car's
It's
parked back there.
It's a little bumpy, but we made it. Well, are you gonna go across that one, honey?
This is it for us. I just want to see what was down here.
Beautiful views.
Bridge,
Yeah, they need to bridge that.
yeah. Put a culvert in here.
I mean, that's running, buddy.
I don't know how deep it is. I don't want to get stuck.
No, I don't want you to get stuck either, because I don't want to push.
Well, we wanted to know. We found out. So.
We found out, yep.